Hello, this is a quick video on how to change the language screen on a UNI-T UT8806E digital multimeter. Should you have one that's in Chinese, your choice of language is going to be either Chinese or English. Simply come over here, click the Shift button, then the Display button, then the second button here on the left, then you'll see Language, and then the first language is going to be English, and then simply hit Display again, and you're back into English. Again, if you want to go back, click on Shift, Display, that'll be System Setup, and then Language, and your choice of English or Chinese. To keep it in English, just hit the English button again, or just go back to Display. Thanks very much, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at uni-trendus.com. Thanks very much.